We missed it. I was a little premature. Maybe I should have just shut the fuck up and the bird would have flown out. He was chased out by Mr. Flutius Maximus, who is now looking to be a little stuck. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Good boy. I don't know, frankly, I have no idea where this leads to. Come on, bud. Good boy, Flutie. That's my boy. Come on, get down. Flutie. Hey. Flutie. Come on. I'm gonna lock you out there if you don't come in because there's a fucking bee there. Jesus. Congratulations to Flutie for freeing us from fucking hostage for 20 minutes.